Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to show you how to grill some zucchini, grill some squash right on an indoor grill, nice and easy, okay? First, make sure your vegetables are washed and free from all debris. You know, they sit in the dirt, so pat them nice and dry. I'm going to show you a nice quick way to cut these. Snip each end. Now that it rolls, I like to just go like this, shave a little piece off just so it rolls flat. Actually a little bit more, excuse my knife edge. Ooh, that's hot. Speaking of that, let's crank our grill up to, these are 12s, this is smoking hot. You're gonna wanna crank your grill outside up to high, get it at 500-600 degrees to grill these nice vegetables. This indoor is just the same way, only we're not gonna put a lid on it. We're gonna go right down the center, get some nice thick slices. Thick slices do two things. It really holds up on the grill, makes it nice and meatier, and you know, you don't really get that curling up, so it won't burn anything either. So I'll cut these nice and thick, just like that. We'll remove these, we'll use them for veg stock, anything like that. If you don't want a nice big slice like this, we can cut it down the center. Once again, go like this, get our flat spot. You could even cut half moons like this, but nice and thick still. Grilling, you know, nice planks. Look at the moisture in the vegetable, it's great. All right, discard that. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. Now I like to just put a couple little thin slices like this. See how I X it out like that? This will help it, you know, steam as well as won't curl up, and it gives you some even cooking, okay? Do that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Nice, 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 nice. Look at that. So, a little bit of salt and pepper. Just go light on it because we're gonna season it after it comes off because there's so much moisture here. You wanna add a little seasoning, then you wanna season at the end because some of the water does dissipate out. And now zucchinis and squashes, you know, they're gonna be so big, things like that. You could do these in batches. You don't wanna pile these on top of each other. Give them some room. Let them breathe, let them grow. I can get this little guy on. And that's the thing, sometimes they're not all gonna be the same uniformity and same length. That's why you gotta really pay close attention to size, thickness, your knife cuts. All of that really plays an important role in grilling the perfect vegetable. We'll put these off to the side. Well, these will be for our second run. Very good point too. I like to cook these 80% of the way because they are gonna carry over cook, kind of like what I do with eggs. You know, 80% of the time, I got the color I want, I got the texture I want. The other 20 is gonna be, you know, on the board. They're gonna season and be very nice. Feel how nice and tender that is. It's starting to get beautiful color. Done this all without oil too, folks. This is a nice dry sear. If we do it, you know, in a pan or things like that, maybe you should add some fat or things like that. But in this application, grilling, I feel like there's so much moisture and season, you don't need any oil. Brush some on at the end, brush some good olive oil on at the end, give it a drizzle of vinegar. But for me, look at that. See how this is ready. This one's ready. It's just these ends are gonna take just a little bit longer, okay? Those little half moons. I'll just season it up again. Now you can do whatever you want with it. You can cut it in strips, you know, serve it in a pasta salad, cool it down. But this is what I love about grilling. Really makes you happy. Look at that. Tender, meaty, seasoned, delicious, very nice grilled vegetables. Hope you guys enjoy this. I know I will.